Debt recovery lawyers versus collection agencies. Which one is better for businesses? Most business owners get this wrong by thinking that any overdue invoice can be handled the same way, but the surprising truth is that debt recovery lawyers and collection agencies serve very different roles, and choosing the right one can make or break your cash flow. Debt recovery lawyers specialize in legal enforcement of unpaid debts. They can issue formal demand letters, negotiate settlements under legal frameworks, and take matters to court if necessary. For example, if a client owes a significant sum and refuses to pay, a lawyer can secure a court judgment and enforce it through liens, garnishments, or asset seizures. Their work is crucial when large debts are at stake or when legal precedent needs to be established. Collection agencies, in contrast, handle the day-to-day chasing of overdue payments. They contact debtors, set up payment plans, and apply pressure to recover smaller balances. While faster and less expensive than legal action, they usually cannot provide legal remedies or enforce debts through the courts. They are best suited for routine overdue invoices and smaller outstanding amounts that don't justify litigation. So, which is better? Debt recovery lawyers are ideal for high-value debts, disputes, or situations requiring legal enforcement. Collection agencies work well for routine, smaller, or non-disputed debts where time and cost efficiency is key. Many businesses use a combination. Collection agencies handle everyday overdue invoices, and lawyers step in when legal intervention becomes necessary. Key takeaway is that understanding the nature of the debt, the debtor's behavior, and the potential risks will help you choose the right approach. By combining legal expertise with proactive collection, businesses can maximize recovery, protect client relationships, and maintain healthy cash flow. The surprising truth is that the most effective strategy often blends both options to ensure debts are recovered efficiently and professionally.